Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this lace swirl pattern skull makeup look. This one is a bit more abstract and artistic, but for this look I wanted to make a skull out of swirls that are kind of in a lace-like pattern. And for this look I'm using Mehron's black face paint. Here I'm creating the first sort of circle swirl around the outside of the eyes, trying to make sort of an eye socket style shape with the swirls. I am using an inspiration photo of some artwork that I found of like a lace skull, and I'll put that photo down below in the links. With the next swirl, I'm starting to make sort of the cheekbone shape. Then I decided to draw in the teeth. I actually redo this later, but here I'm just kind of putting this shape so I know where the teeth begin and end. And I'm doing this so I know like where the structure of the teeth is, so I don't go over that area. And that way I can fill in the rest of the pattern. And here I'm creating this swirl that sort of goes around the upper part of the mouth and connects with the cheekbone piece. The one on the nose was kind of difficult. I wanted it to sort of look like the opening on a skull, but also I had to account for the shape of my nose, and I just kind of made the swirls on the sides. Then I just continue with lace-like swirl patterns and trying to make both sides as even as possible. Here I erased the teeth and I'm drawing them in again. I thought they were a little too short, so now I'm trying to make them a little bit bigger. Then continuing with more swirls for the chin area, trying to create a chin-like shape. For the neck area, I wanted the swirls to continue, but to sort of look like a neck and clavicle bone type shape, but with the swirls. So that's sort of the pattern I was going for here. Again, sort of taking artistic license and making this a little bit more abstract. And that completes this swirl lace pattern skull makeup look. I know this is more of a crazy artistic style look, but I really had a lot of fun doing it and I really liked how the pattern turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you guys again soon.